Today, I'm going to show you how to install NFCdigital cell phone signal repeater kit in your car. Here is the content from the box. I'm going to connect everything before I go out to my car. This is the outdoor antenna, and it needs to connect with the base. This is the indoor antenna and the cable. And we have the cigarette lighter power adapter and USB power adapter. You can choose either one of them. I'll start with the auto antenna. First, you need to connect the antenna with the magnetic base. Next, connect the auto antenna cable to the repeater. Be sure to plug in that connector marked as auto. The next step is connecting the indoor antenna. The connector on the repeater is marked as indoor. The back of the indoor antenna has a peel-off sticker for easy installation. Next, just plug in the mobile power adapter before heading to the vehicle. This base is magnetic. Put it on the top of the vehicle and it sticks. If your car has FM radio antenna, just to make sure they are at least 1 meter apart. Then, I'm going to line the cable with the door. It doesn't have to be perfect, just to make the cable stay in its place. The cable can go through under the carpet. I choose to place the repeater on the passenger side. The black square is the detachable adhesive sheet which comes with the product. I've already pasted on the bottom of the repeater, so let's put them together. Once again, you can detach the repeater whenever you feel like. This is the cable connecting the indoor antenna. Since the auto antenna is close to the passenger side, the indoor one has to be on the other side. So find a way to route the cable to the other side. Again, it is better to go under the carpet. The indoor antenna should be attached close to the roof, like this.
That's it. The whole process can be done by anyone in half an hour. No sweat. Turn the switch on and your cell phone is ready to grow bars.